Right, we're ready for a walk, Scott?
Yeah.
No shoes required?
No.
Type of a walk? You ready, wee Jamie? That's it, close the tent. Yeah, put a wee eye on there. And we haven't seen a cloud all day. See, I've got bigger legs than you. And I've got shorts on. Yeah, my kind of walk, see when you go for a walk and you don't need to wear shoes. Kind of like that. It is brilliant, yeah. I wonder if it's as warm as this in back north there. I would imagine so. Or does it actually get warmer up here when it's warm? I don't know. That's good, boys. Yes, that'll be the beach at the back of Keppoch, eh?
Wow.
It's this radioactive sand, look. See the bubbles coming out, look.
Yeah.
It's farting. Can you stand on it?
You do it.
It's all bubbling up mental.
You try. You try.
What on earth is all that about? Whoa, look at this.
Here's our bubbling the most. This feels hard, the sand. The sand on it.
It's going bananas.
Oh! Who must be the heaviest?
That's men's, wasn't it?
Yeah. Look! Look, watch this. Hey, look here.
Who must be the heavier? Is it usually heavier or bigger? Or lighter people usually throw the biggest bubbles from it. You try it.
Oh, it is bubbling mad, like mad.
Isn't it half?
Hey!
Oh, you try a bubble?
I've never seen anything like that before, have you? Oh.
No.
See,
It's like it looks as if it was boiling, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. Good. I think this is sinking down the thing.
Maybe.
Is that why it's farting?
Maybe. Fish, isn't it? He just swam to you. Carrying Jamie so he doesn't get his trousers wet.
Is he walking through it?
There you are, pal.
Thank you. I didn't do a bubble with my feet again.
Yeah, I don't think this is a bubbly bit, it was just that bit round there, it was all bubbly. Normal here again, look. Yeah, a piece of ancient vase. I wonder if there's any more of it about. This is playing tricks in my eyes, this bit.
wow. Who's sinking more than me or you?
Don't know.
Oh. Look.
I need to go up there with everybody else.
Yeah, it's a bit busy. There's probably a lot of might be a lot of midges up there, I think, Jamie. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that we don't want. Maybe if you're further out here, it's like going out in the boat and you don't get the midges. I've got them crawling around my ears, isn't it? There's the cones and sky.
Can we see the sun?
Mm-hmm.
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Dad, are we in a cartoon?
I think we might be, eh, Jamie? Yeah, it looks a bit like a cartoon, doesn't it?
Don't go away.